So when you come to the class for the transistor experiment, you see two boards. One has a transistor circuit, and the other one has a set of photodetectors. You also see a set of cables, power supply, an optical fiber here, and you'll be using the Pascal interface to detect the electric signals from the board and also to send signals. So you turn on the Pascal interface, and after that we can open the Pascal software, Pascal Capstone. Wait a couple of seconds. I don't want to install anything right now. So you select hardware setup, and you see here the image of the interface. So you'll be using channels A and B, these channels A and B, to detect electric signals or to measure voltage and current in this board. We'll also be sending signals from the interface to the board. So we can select these channels A and B will be used for measuring the voltage across these two resistors. So we can select here, we click with the left button, and then down there we see voltage sensor. So channel A is a voltage sensor, channel B is also a voltage sensor. And we'll be using also this output. And so this is our output, we click here, and this will be a output voltage current sensor. Alright, so we set up our interface. And then here you have your board where you can see the transistor right here. This side is connected to the base of the transistor, so you see the lines here connecting to this side. Here where we see an arrow, this is the emitter, and here on the other side, on the top, we have the collector. So you'll be sending signals from the Pascal interface to the board. So we have this connector, so you connect the ground, so the ground has this little bump here, it's the black wire, so you connect here the black wire to the ground, and now we will connect this to the base of the transistor. So we will send signals, either a DC or a sine wave, a square wave, we can choose later. We will send to the transistor. So you connect here the high voltage, the low voltage, so this is the ground, this is the higher voltage. Okay. And we also be measuring the current across this resistor. So we actually measure voltage, and then we can divide the voltage by this resistance in order to get the current. So again, we connect this here, the other here, and then we connect this to channel A. We'll also be measuring the current across this resistor. Again, we measure the voltage and we divide it by this resistance, 100 ohms, so we get the current. So we connect here, over here, and then we connect to channel B. All right, so channel A is the base, channel B is the collector. There is an LED here, and I will power up this LED using this power supply. So I will open this.